The grading summary below the assignment description will help you to keep track of assignment submissions that need grading. From here, you can also access the assignment submission report to view all submissions or open grading mode. On the assignment submission report, you have the option to select a quick grading action. You can either download all submissions or view the assignment in the course gradebook, where you will be able to enter assignment grades directly. You can also filter the report by the first letter of learners' first or last names. The assignment submission report will display all the details pertaining to learners' submissions, including grading status, date of submission or modification, and quick access to the text or files that have been submitted. To grade assignments, you have the option to enable quick grading. This will allow you to assign grades and feedback directly into the submissions report. Alternatively, you can use the Grade button next to a learner's name to access grading mode and interact more extensively with learner submissions. Here, you can see an overview of the learner's submission and grading status. You can view online text submissions in the side panel, download file submissions for offline viewing, or even interact with uploaded files online. You can optionally add comments, which learners will then be able to view in their submission status block. In the provided field, you can assign the appropriate grade. And finally, you can use the feedback box to provide learners with relevant information regarding their submission and grade. In the bottom navigation bar, you can then decide whether learners should be notified of the updates in their assignment submission and grading status. If you want to prevent learners from viewing their grades until a specified date, you will need to hide the assignment in the course gradebook. When you click on Save Changes, the assigned grade and feedback will be saved, and course reports will be updated accordingly. You can then decide to return to the assignment submission report, the assignment page, or the course home page.